Nandito kami ngayon sa Filipino party ng Philcan. So let's see.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Last minute gala. Andito kami sa Christmas party ng Filipino. Sa pilitan pala ito, ano? Pagasan. Medyo na dumadami na tayo. Tita, ano yung bit-bit mo? Stolen. Pag talaga hindi planado, natutuloy. Super last minute! Nakita ko. Ha? Ha? Ang agang-agang chismis yan. Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yun? 5 o'clock na, wala pang tao. Sabi ni Erica nung 4 o'clock daw, kasi yun yung start eh. Wala, konti pa lang tao. Gusto ko meron palang pa-exam dito sa Philcan Christmas Party. May annual membership pala. So, fill outan natin kung date arrived in terrace, tapos name, ganyan. May bayad. Buti na lang single kami. Kasi pag single ay $15 lang. Pag couple ay $25. Pero hindi tayo magbabayad for the... Dito pala yung treasurer. Nakikita pala. Sabi ko ito ako magbabayad. Paano po yung walang pabayad? Gusto ko nanunulad talaga ako. Parang hindi kita yun. Ano, how much you wanna bet? Iba talagang 4.5. Pwede yan. Bakit nilalagay yung price? Hindi sana checkmark na lang, right? I don't understand. Pakiayos po ng form. Ay, joke lang. Joke lang! Joke lang po! Baka mabash tayo for today's video.
Again, we invite everyone to don't forget.
Kita si tita? Hindi. Kita yan. Oh, nice.
Mukha niya naman ako.
Yung tatay mo! Mukha kang ebidensya. Siyempre, kailangan ng screenshot. Sa bahay tayo. Ito po! Ito! Hindi kayo mahilig sa party. Pag sumama siya, pupunta kami. Gagawa ka ba ng mango flow? Ha?
Dear Father, as we gather for this event, in your name, amen.
Amen. Ano po, tita?
Na-feel mo na?
Na-feel ko na yun ako. Ako po yung fan.
Terrace Philcan Association Potluck Christmas Party. Let's give everyone a round of applause. This is my 4th year hosting this Philcan Christmas Party again and again. Anjo pa rin po. Oo. Wow! 88! 2010! 2019! 2022! For 2024, however, I call on all the 2024. Okay, we'll start with you. From Pampanga, Talasing, Marino. Alright, let's give them a round of welcome. And welcome to Terrace. Please have a seat. Have a seat.
And this is for Terrace Philcan Association. Chairman's message, Christmas 2024. Dear Philcan Executive Board members, association members, and guests, as we are beginning to enter this joyful time of year, I would like to extend my warmest Christmas greetings and prosperous New Year wishes to each and every one of you. The spirit of this season fills our hearts with gratitude for the wonderful community we have built together. It is time to reflect on the years gone by and to look forward to the bright future ahead. This Christmas, I regret to inform you that my family and I will not be able to attend our usual festive gatherings as we are on holidays in the Philippines. While we will miss the warmth of our Philcan family during this special time, our thoughts and best wishes are with all of you as you come together to celebrate with love, laughter, and joy. Looking ahead to 2025, I am excited about the many community events we have planned. This will offer us all opportunities to reconnect, celebrate our shared heritage, and continue to strengthen the bonds that make our Philcan community so vibrant and strong. I am truly looking forward to the moments we will create together in the year to come. So may this Christmas season bring you peace, happiness, and the joy of family and friends. Thank you for your continued support and dedication to our community. On behalf of Rachel, or as we all know as Acheng, Mama, Tita Chick, Kai, and Casey, we wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. With warm regards, O.J. Matias, Chairman, Terrace Philcan Association. Thank you, everyone.
Next, table 7.
Hello po!
All I want for Christmas is you.
For today's video, so meron tayo ditong humba, pakbet, I don't know, chicken something, pasta,
Kami yung rice ko.
Pagpanggap. Tapos, we have chicken thing, we have salmon, and then the dessert. We have, ano tawag ito ate? Palitaw, do? Palitaw. Different toppings.
Ay, nagbablog, oh.
We have puto. We have macaroons, kutsinta, and
Ito, tiramisu.
oh, tita?
Tiramisu, this one.
Tiramisu, hindi po kami kumuha niyan. Ang bigat na ng plato namin. Oh, for the drinks pala, we have tubig and we have crush. Let's see.
Wala siyang kaibigan.
B, ay nari sa'yo, B! Kayo kiyakal. Di ba po pag kinakasal, may sariling table?
Prizes tonight is going to check your tickets, check your tickets. Okay, check your tickets.
Mananalo tayo. Bakit? Ito yung favorite number. Oh, yeah, mananalo.
As we go along the program tonight, any monetary donation for more prizes are more than welcome. Any other monetary donation for prizes are more than welcome to be received here in our registrations area. The more the merrier. Okay, check your tickets.
Number.
First ticket is 40, not 4 and 0. 4 zeros. 0, 0, 0, 0, 33. Four zeros and 33.
Wow!
Congratulations, you won $1,000. Hong Kong.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yung mga fans ko dyan.
I'm Lynette Berkey. I'm the community outreach coordinator.
My name is Marvelous Panag. I am Glina now. I just got married this year.
Thank you. So I'm Lilia Hassan. Thank you. So I'm what you call the quiet advisory.
Hi, I'm Far. I'm part of the board members, and I'm usually in charge of decorating in every Philcan events.
I'm the secretary. I've been involved with Philcan since I came here in 2005.
My name is Alma. I don't do much for the association. I only make sure that the association is financially in shape.
My name is Edward Mendoza.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Mark. I'm not in charge of the recreation.
Merry Christmas!
Anong oras na, baga?
Hi, vlog!
Go!
Yung naman maganda ako. Hi vlog! Welcome to my vlog. Go, go, go!
Pumuri ka sa camera!
Hi! Go, go, go!
Fit check muna tayo. Tonight's video, Christmas party. Ganito lang yung damit natin. All black ako. Last minute yung decision na magtuloy kami sa Christmas party for this year. So, ito lang yung na-pull off ko na damit. Short sleeves cardigan. We have dress black as well. So, this is very cute because it's lace. It's mini dress. Kahit ang lamig-lamig dito, ipinush natin yan. Also, I'm wearing this high boots para to keep us warm. Nako ditong accessories na color red. Para lang may Christmassy vibe. Ikaw is just this, parang bling-bling bahagya lang. Sa makeup naman, very neutral. Also, my bag, matchy-matchy sa bracelet. So, it's red. It's an old bag, but this is very cute. Laman ng bag natin. Let's see. So, I only have red lipstick just in case maging putla ako doon. So, at least ready tayo. Next is, I have my perfume. So, para just in case may maghag sa atin at baka amoy ulam na ako or something. I have my lip liner here too. Also, we have ulam na binalot from the occasion. And yung napanalunan natin na $10 sa coupon to raffle. So, yeah, nagbago yung buhay ko sa $10 na ito. So, amazing. At nanalo tayo. First draw, panalo tayo. So, that's just basically it. Thank you guys for watching. Super crazy. At nakilala nyo yung mga board directors, members, at mga umattend sa party. I know it was just a last-minute decision na aattend kami this year, but we made it happen. So, yeah, kung bago kayo dito sa Charis, kung pupunta kayo ngayon dito sa Charis o mga bago kayo, hello po. And kung mga old kayo, hello! So, siguro kilala natin na isa't isa. But yeah, I hope we all or you had fun and Merry Christmas! Bye!